Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect to Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So the first thing that we need to do is open the settings. Then in the settings we want to go to connections, and finally over here we need to make sure that Wi-Fi is of course enabled, but we can also tap on Wi-Fi text in order to turn it on or off over here. So we can tap on the slider in order to turn it on and then search for the network. Once we find our Wi-Fi network, we need to tap on its name and then we need to provide the password. Once you enter the password, you want to press connect, and if the password is connect, you should see the information that you are connected. You can also scan the Wi-Fi QR code if you have one by tapping on this QR code in the top right corner. So if you press on it, then you will open the camera and then you can aim at the QR code, and then you should be able to scan it in order to connect to your Wi-Fi. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.